Happy New Year and welcome back. Today we're talking about this little guy. This is my brand new 2025 Honda Grom. This thing is pretty cool. I got it with about 74 miles on it. The previous owner had won it in an auction or something, or they did a raffle, and he bought it, rode it around for 74 miles, then decided it wasn't for him and he got rid of it. So I ended up picking it up and here we are. It's 125cc. It makes 9.7 horsepower at 7.7 foot-pounds of torque. So it's a scooter, essentially. But it's a scooter with 5 gears. And I've been wanting one of these for quite a long time. So this has been something, we've got our clutch here so we can shift through all the gears. I think the rated top speed is somewhere around 55 or 60 miles an hour. I've gotten this to 62 miles an hour in a full tuck on flat ground. So it's not a speed demon, but it is really, really fun. So I wanted to ride around with it and just talk about it. And this is going to be essentially 2025. We're going to be taking a look with this. So a little bit of history. I had 2 Kawasaki bikes. I had a Kawasaki Versys 650 that was a 2009. And then I had a 2007 KLX 250S. So I had a street bike and a dual sport bike. I sold both of those and I picked up the 2025 Honda Grom. And this bike is the newest bike I've ever had, which is awesome. And then I also have the Talaria MX-5. So I've got my off-road and my street bike still. Just we've changed a little bit on what it looks like. So let's check this out. It's cold. So a Honda Grom. Why would you get a Honda Grom, Dave? It's a great question. It has about as much power as that thing, probably. So it's not 50cc, it's 125cc, so you can get up and go. And it's got a clutch, so you can manage it. It's not a CVT, so you can actually decide where you want yourself in the power band, which is super cool. Other things that I really like about it, it's got stock everything. The only thing that I've done that's not stock is I removed the little sticker saying, hey, put gasoline in here and just do gasoline. So that's the only thing that's different. Everything else is stock. The bars are stock, the mirrors are stock, and it's been super fun. So I purchased it, like I said, with 74 miles. Let's see how many miles are on it today, or right now. We've got 201 miles on this bike as of right now. So we're actually still in the break-in period. And man, is this fun as a around town, just whip around through traffic sort of thing. What's so much fun about it is that you know the saying, it's more fun to ride a slow bike fast than a fast bike slow. That's kind of how I feel about it, because I'm in 4th gear and we're ripping around on this road. And on my 650, I really couldn't get out of 1st or maybe 2nd gear, even on the highway. But this, I go through all 5 gears on a 45 mile an hour road. So it's pretty fun. It kind of keeps me entertained. And the fun factor is off the charts with this bike. Like, it really is something else. And here's something else that's really awesome. So we have lane filtering. As long as you have 2 lanes going the same direction, you can lane filter. So lane filtering is so ridiculously easy with this thing. As you can see, my mirrors, a lot of my handlebars are going to be below a lot of people's mirrors. And my mirrors are even below like some mirrors from like a truck or something. So this is very, very small. And because it's so small, it's super easy to lane filter. And it's so fun for just kicking around and just going off-road. Or not going off-road, but going around town and just kicking around. I don't know why I said off-road. Here's another thing that's pretty cool. You can learn to do all sorts of fun stuff with it. Let's try and do a stoppie here. Woo! We did a stoppie. So I've been wanting to just have something that I can mess around on, something that's quieter. And my KLX 250S was almost the perfect bike. It was so close. It had so many things going for it. Oh, I actually want to go. It had so many things going for it. One of the things that it had against it was the fact that it was carbureted. Some people love carbureted bikes. I am not one of those people. I don't know what it is, but I'm always fiddling with the tune on a carburetor. Don't know what jet to use. Don't know what the flow, make sure it doesn't sit for whatever. I don't know. It's just frustrating to me. I'm done with carbureted bikes. The KLX 250S, my 2007 one, thank you, but man, you are my last carbureted bike I will ever have in my lifetime. This thing's fuel injected, and thank goodness, because it is so much nicer. I mean, that's really it. I just wanted to introduce the 2025 Honda Grom to everyone and let you know it's an awesome bike, and I'm going to be having a lot of fun on it. I really love how flat the seat is too, so I can shift way back, shift forward. But if anybody's looking for a bike like this, it's pretty sweet. Don't kid yourself on the power though. Weight makes a big difference. I hear about people being able to go 70 plus miles per hour on the stock gearing, stock everything. They must weigh like hardly anything, because I'm going maybe 55, maybe 60 on this, and that's about it. Like, we're done after that. But it's really, really a fun bike. I've really liked it a lot. It's been super friendly. It's a very friendly bike too, and no one else is intimidated by it. Everybody laughs when you ride by. So that's the introduction to the 2025 Honda Grom, affectionately named Donkey Kong. There's a story behind that, but we're not going to get into that today. So Happy New Year, and I hope everyone's had a great holiday season. Mine was great, and I'm super happy to be here. We almost hit 500 subscribers last year. However, we're going to hit it this year. So that's an exciting milestone. Thank you very much to anyone who's subscribed, and subscribe if you haven't. We're going to be doing a lot on this Honda Grom. We're going to do a few modifications, not too many to start out, just some basic stuff, but it's going to be super fun. And I hope to see you all in the next one. See you later.